Kuha na nito.
Okay, good morning to each one of us. Today is June 5, 2024. We have been projects to be completed. And before that, good morning to online viewers and the YouTube channels. And I proceed with the project ID number will be this morning is 24800150 to 24800159. Before we proceed this reading, please allow me to please all stand and lead us with Brgy. Okay, good morning again. And before we start, we have done so please sincere with our review, categories. And for Engineer Leandro, sir, good morning.
Morning, Madam Chair.
Engineer Topet, good morning.
Morning, Vice President.
Engineer Z, good morning. Engineer Elvin, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
And planning designers, or planning, good morning. Ylaya. Here, Ma'am Baby, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am Brgy. Good morning, and lawyers, good morning. In the agenda of operating conference is number 1, briefing presentation, explanation with the back of the following ABC contract data, including the contract description, ABC information, B requirements of bidding documents, including the instructions of the bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and form C. Documents to be submitted by the bidders, a typical proposal, pickup, special jurisdiction license if applicable, basic security, authority of signing official, organizational chart for the contract, contractor certification, okay, personnel, less but major equipment, only most words statement required in RE 9184-IR RC 252B. That's 4. The financial proposal, bid form, bid prices in the bill of quantities, detailed estimates, and cash flow. The criteria procedural eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post qualification and award. And 2 questions, the comments from bidders and replies of back and other representatives of procuring entity. Three other matters or summary of proceedings, including supplementary mandate to be issued. Now, under the contract data 24,001.0 to 24,001.59, and again it to the floor to Chief of Planning, Civilian Joker, to facilitate the contract data.
Thank you, so much, Vice Chair. So, to discuss this morning the details of each and every contract and scope of work. Of course, we have here the technical designers and programmers from the planning and design section. So to start with, we have here under HO 050, the project is a road, the road category located at Barangay Manlapay, Matalao Road. The project is being assigned to engineer ZR and also design, he is designer and staff contractors. He will be discussing to us the details of the scope of work included in the program.
Thank you so much, Sir Jopet. Good morning, everyone. For contract ID number 24/0115, for the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Related Gaps or SIPAG. Access roads and bridges from the national road leading to major and strategic public buildings and facilities. Construction road beginning from Barangay Manlapay to Barangay Matalao Road, Cebu. For the contract probation, Cebu, and for the BC amount, 144,748,260 pesos. And for the rate description, completing 1.804 road. And for the sort of funds, 2024 infrastructure program. And for the contract duration, it has 341 calendar days. So for the major performance of our project, surplus rock excavation stock. Surplus excavation hard, structure excavation soft rock, involvement from road excavation soft rock, subgrade preparation soft rock area, aggregate survey scores, we have a thickness of 200 mm, and important cement concrete pavement, and then of course it has 250 mm thick, and for the snow prediction, stone assumption. So this project is subject to a supplemental utility for finalization of funding. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer ZR. So
Yes,
we now proceed to contract ID 24H0151. This project, the contract is under the category. Located specifically at Mais for Ylaya, Cebu. So the project is being assigned to engineer SIP. So engineer SIP, this discussion.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. For contract ID 24H0151, the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Project Alleviating Mitigation structures protecting major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of the Revetment wall at Purok is to Purok Nangka, Ylaya, Ronda, Cebu. Located at Ronda with a corporation of amount 100 million pesos and DBC amount of 96,496,720 pesos. Source of fund is 2024 Infrastructure Project Program. Project description, it is construction of 163 linear meters Revetment wall, and major components of the project include 6 meter high stone masonry, 10 meters wide channel excavation, 12 meter long steel sheet pile foundation. Final project is to be submitted, at the bid bulletin.
Thank you so much, Engineer Sim. So we're now moving forward to this for HO 0152. The project is being assigned to Engineer Anna. So, Engineer Anna, please, bring the point.
Thank you, Sir Jones. Good morning, everyone. For the 24H0152, Convergence and Special Support Program, sustainable and infrastructure projects elevating gas, mitigation structures protecting major security public buildings or facilities, construction and revetment wall as city of Upper Talayong, Brgy, Tupas, Ronda, Cebu, that side package 2, located at Ronda, Cebu with an ABC of 96,496,711.14 cents. So, still under the for infrastructure program, with a total project duration of 307 days. So this one is a construction of 237 meter revetment wall with steel sheet pile of foundation of 12 meters. So this one is commonly this structure height is 4 meters made of concrete slope protection 200 and a stone masonry structure. And also there, the general width of this mitigation structure is 10 meters. So this one is a continuing project under the, also railway are provided. And also there will be a preliminary building for the organization of the lights.
Thank you so much, Engineer Anna. So moving forward, to contact ID for HO 0153, still under the flood control category. The location of the project is Matalao, Cebu. This contract or project is being assigned to Engineer Enzo. So Engineer Enzo is
Thank you, very good morning, everyone. So for contract ID of 24H0153, the contract name of construction of Revetment wall at Barangay Matalao, upstream Dumanjug, Cebu, located at Dumanjug, Cebu, with a PVC amount of 96,496,413 pesos and 35 cents. The source of funds coming from the 2024 infrastructure program with a contract duration of 307 calendar days, and the brief description of the project. This project stretches up to 146 billion meters with respect to the site alignment with the steel sheet pile foundation of the length of 12 meters. The main component of the structure, it is a stone masonry with a height of 6.5 meters, and the thickness of the concrete slope protection would be 0.2 meters. The pinway width would be 5 meters, and in thickness it would be 0.5 meters. This project is still subjected for supplemental boosting where the quantities will be finalized. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Engineer Enzo. So moving forward to contract ID 24H 0154. Come now to road category. The project is located at Barangay Ylaya, Matalao, Manlapay, Dumanjug, Cebu. So this project is being assigned in collaboration, Engineer Pat and Engineer JR. So Engineer Pat will discuss the details.
Good morning once again for the contract ID 24H0154, Convergence Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating gas, access roads and or bridges from the national road leading to major or strategic public buildings, facilities, construction, road opening of Brgy, Matalao, Manlapay Road, Dumanjug, Cebu. Its contract location is at Dumanjug, Cebu, specifically at Barangay Matalao. This is a continuing project from to the activity and preceding the project for the first contract discussed today. So it has an previous amount of 96,498,208.34 and the source of fund of this project is available for infrastructure program with a contract duration of 301 calendar days. So this For the brief description, this is a road opening of 20 meter, minimum of 20 meter wide, and which has a length of 415 meters, or that is 1.660 lane kilometer road. A construction of concrete PCCP of 40 road with a thickness of 0.28 meter thick, and also, this project has a concrete slope protection for at the mountain side, also considered at the rugged side. So this project is still subjected to supplemental difficulty for the finalization of the hard and soft rock quantities.
Right, thank you so much, Engineer Pat, for the discussion about this report. Now, we move forward to 34H0155. Coming up, for category, project is located at Valencia, Alleviating. So this project is being designed and programmed by Engineer Mark. So Mark, please discuss the details.
Thank you, sir. Jones. For the contract ID 34H0155, having a contract name of Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating SIPAG, flood mitigation structures protecting major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of dike at Valencia River downstream right side, Ylaya, Cebu, package 3. So this is located at Ylaya, Cebu, having a posted EDC amount of 72,371,714 pesos and 82 centavos, with a brief description of construction of 155 linear meter dike with steel sheet pile foundation, and its source of fund is from 2024 infrastructure program, having a contract duration of 463 calendar days. So this project is a road dike project having a major scope of work of channel and structure excavation works. And the height of the structure is 4 meters and is composed of stone masonry with concrete slope protection with a thickness of 0.2. It has also a concrete with a concrete pile cap, and has a 6 meter copper running and 12 meter steel sheet pile. So it has also a road component having a 2.5 meter width with a aggregate base course and embankment works. So there will be submission of supplemental difficulty for the finalization of quantities and scope works. That will be all that I can take.
Thank you so much, Engineer Mark. So moving forward to contract ID 24HO0156. The project is under flood control located at Talayong, Ronda, Cebu. So this is being assigned to Engineer Enzo as to programming and designing for. So Engineer Enzo, good morning again.
Everyone, so for 24H0156, the contract name of construction of Revetment wall at Cebu, left side Ronda, Cebu, package 2. Contract location will be at Ronda, Cebu with an EPC amount of 38,596,730 pesos and 24 centavos. And the total fund will be coming from the 24 infrastructure program with a contract duration of 105 days. The project stretches up to 81 meters with respect to the side alignment. With a steel sheet pile of 12 meters, and then the major component of the structure would be stone masonry with a height of 6 meters and 0.2 of concrete slope protection in thickness. Then the breakaway width will be 5 meters and its thickness will be 0.5 meters. This project is still projected for supplemental bulletin when the quantities will be finalized. That will be all.
Thank you, Engineer Enzo. So moving forward to contract ID 24H0157. Still under the flood control category. This being assigned to Engineer Jeanette as the programmer and designer. Engineer Jeanette, please.
Thank you, Sir. Good morning, everyone. For the project ID 24H0156, this belongs to SIPAG, which is the construction of new type at Barangay Palalagasinan. Now, the one Cebu package two, this is a continuing project. The operation of this project is 35 million with an ABC of 33,771,786. The project major component is our PCTV with 3 meters width. There's also a relative riprap, a stone masonry with 6 meters vertical height from the top of Talayong. Concrete stone protection with 210 feet. Structural steel sheet piles 47 meters and a rating of GI5. The initial project length is 66 linear meters with a project duration of 189 calendar days. As to the finalization of scope of work and the completion of this project, there will be a supplementary. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Engineer Nel. So looking forward to the next contract, the 24HO 0158, still under the flood control category, given the Manlapay of Cebu. The project is being assigned to Engineer Briggs as the designer as well as the programmer. So Briggs.
Thank you, Sir George. Morning, everyone. So, contract ID 24H0158 under the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, Alleviating gaps, SIPAG, Land Mitigation Structures, protecting major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of Revetment wall at Ylaya, upstream right side Manlapay. So this project has an ABC amount of 24,131,967 pesos and 44 centavos and has a contract duration of 185 calendar days under the 2024 infrastructure program. So this project is a construction of 42 meter Revetment wall with steel sheet foundation. Its major scope of works include a stone masonry with a height of 6 meters and a cover slope with a thickness of 200 millimeters. So it also includes a steel sheet foundation with a cut length of 12 meters. So finalization of quantities will be submitted on the supplementary quality.
Thank you, Engineer Briggs. Next contract under 24HO 0159, still a continuation or somehow connected to the previous project or contract we discussed with Engineer Briggs. And this project is also still being assigned to Engineer Briggs as designer and programmer. So Briggs, please continue discussion.
Thank you, sir. So for the contract ID 24H0159 under the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects and Alleviating gaps, SIPAG, Land Mitigation Structures, protecting major or strategic public buildings and facilities. Construction of Revetment wall at Ylaya, upstream land site on Cebu. This project has been previously amount of 24,121,964 pesos and 66 centavos and has a contract duration of 185 days under the 2024 infrastructure program. So this project is a construction of 42 meters Revetment wall with steel sheet foundation, the content of 12 meters and structure height of post of stone masonry with a height of 6 meters, compared to protection and a thickness of 100 millimeters. So it's a blended building will be submitted for the realization of the case.
Thank you, Engineer Briggs. So that concludes the technical discussion on the 10 contracts being discussed this morning. So I turn over the floor to our supervisor.
Okay, good morning, this is Andrew Dominguez. I give you to the floor for Sir Edwin. And I read this one.
That's right. Okay, good morning, everyone. This is the instruction to leaders. For number one, prospective leaders should be registered and specified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or PICAP with a PICAP license applicable to the type and cost of this contract. Contractors or applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application or CWA. The DPWH Procurement Service, fifth floor, DPWH building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila. Was those already enrolled, keep the records current and updated. Contractors' eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process and subjected to further post qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 8 AM to 4 PM or on the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Number two, bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedure using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in 2016 revised implementing rules and regulations IRR of the Republic Act number 9184. Number three, interested bidder may obtain the within further information, inspect the bidding documents at this building, Dumanjug, Cebu from 8 AM to 5 PM. Number four, a complete set of bidding documents will be acquired by the listed bidder on May 29, 2024 to June 18, 2024 from the DPWH Cebu 7th Engineering Office, Dumanjug, Cebu, and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guideline issued by the GPPB. Number five, the bidding documents will be also be downloaded free from charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or the PhilJobs and the website of the procuring entity provided that the bidder shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Number six, bid submission will be done manually or electronically or online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to the manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of electronic bids are contained in the BDS activity clause number 7. For number 7, bids must be duly received by the PAC Secretariat for manual submission or at the DPWH Cebu 7th Engineering Office, Dumanjug, Cebu, or at the electronic bids _ Cebu 7th DPWH.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before June 18, 2024, 10 AM. Late bids shall not be accepted. Number 8, all bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the applicable forms and in the amount stated at the ITB clause number 16. Number 9, bid opening shall be on June 18 at 10 AM immediately after the deadline of drafting of bids at second floor conference hall, DPWH Cebu 7th District Engineering Office, Dumanjug, Cebu, and or through YouTube Live or Zoom. Bids will be open in the presence of bidders representatives who choose to attend at the address above stated. 10. The DPWH Cebu 7th District Engineering Office will serve the right to reject any and all bids, declare the failure of bidding or not award a contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with Section 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184 without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. 11. As per DO number 127 series of 2018 states that at the time of the post-qualification procedure, the PAC verifies that any of the deficiency is due to the contractor's fault or negligence pursuant to the report that 3B to C of the 2016 IRR of RA 9184. The procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any right to reimburse fees and incidental costs paid for the procurement of the infrastructural contract subject of the bid. For further information, please refer to Engineer Ryan B. Garma, our IC Procurement Head, DPWH Cebu 7th, District Engineering Office, Sugunuban, Cebu. Or you may email at procurement.cebu7th@gmail.com. You may visit the following websites for the downloading of the video documents: www.dpwh.gov.ph and www.philjex.gov.ph. For the online submission of bids, you may use electronic bids underscore 07 at dpwh.gov.ph. For the technical requirements, bid security in the prescribed form, amount, and validity period. For the acceptable form, number one, cash or cash manager's check issued by the Universal or Community Bank. The minimum amount should be 2% of the ABC. Number two, bank draft or guarantee or irrevocable letter of credit issued by the Universal or Community Bank. Used for the debtors infra, 10 or 11. The minimum amount is also 2% of the ABC. Number three is surety bond collable on demand issued by the surety of insurance company duly certified by the Insurance Commission as authorized to issue such security, which is 5% of the ABC. Number four is bid security declaration. Number two, eligibility requirements under Section 53.1 of the IRR. Section 53.1 states that for the purpose of determining the eligibility of bidder using the criteria stated in Section 53.4 of this IRR, only the following documents shall be required to the back using the forms prescribed in the bidding documents. For the technical component envelope, we have the class A documents. Legal documents. Under legal documents, we have valid registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages. Also, the registration certificate from the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC, Department of Trade and Industry or DTI for sole proprietorship, or the Cooperative Development Authority or CDA for cooperatives or its equivalent document. Also, we require the mayor's or business permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidder is located, or the equivalent document for exclusive economic zones or areas. And also the tax clearance per DO number 398, series of 2005, as finally reviewed and approved by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. For the also still for the technical documents. Also, our requirement is the statement of prospective bidder of all its ongoing government private contracts, including contracts awarded when the activity started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and publicity to the contract to be reviewed. And the statement of the bidder symbolizes completed contract or the SLCC, similar to the contract to be exact and the conditions provided under the rules. Also, the bidder should provide a Philippine Accreditation Board license or pickup license or special pickup license in case of joint ventures and registration for the type and cost of the contract to be. And the original copy of the security in the form of security bond, also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission or the original copy of the bid security declaration. Thirdly, for the project requirements, we shall include the following: organizational chart for the contract to be bid, list of contractors' key personnel, project manager, project engineers, materials engineers, and foremen to be assigned to the contract to be bid with their complete qualification and experience data. Also, a list of contractors' major equipment units which are on lease or under purchase agreement supported by the proof of ownership or verification of availability of equipment from the equipment lessor or vendor for the duration of the contract as the case may be. And the original duly signed omnibus sworn statement or the oath test. And if applicable, original authorized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all the members of the joint venture giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and do acts to represent the bidder. For the financial document, the respective bidders audited financial statement showing among others the respective bidders' total and current assets and liabilities sums received by the BIR or its duly accredited and authorized institution for the preceding calendar year, which should not be earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission. The prospective bidders' computation of net financial contracting capacity or NCC. Another end, if applicable, duly signed joint venture agreement or GPA in accordance of RA number 4566 and its IRR in case the joint venture is already in existence, or the duly notarized statement from all the potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provisions of the GPA in the instance that the bid is successful. Bidder should submit one original and one copy of the first technical and the second financial component of its bid. For bids to be submitted electronically or online, the following procedures should observe following DO number 87, series of 2020. In case a prospective bidder originally intends to join the bidding as joint venture referred as group, as the original bidder has been issued an official receipt and purchase of bidding documents and has submitted the official receipt, but eventually decided to join the bidding with the new members or as individual contractors referred as a group bidder or vice versa. The group bidder should purchase a new bidding document to be issued with the corresponding official receipt in their name and submit the electronic official receipt following the same procedures. Thank you.
No questions on
Any
that.
questions?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, our police may mean that 10 projects, no clarifications. And so we adjourn our previous conference this morning and again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.